पाकिस्तान जान जान पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
जी तो आप इस वक्त देख सकते हैं मैं बाइक राइड ले रही हूँ, लेकिन ये कोई करीम या बाइक की राइड नहीं बल्कि मेरे साथ मौजूद है जर्मन शहरी मार्सल, जो कि जर्मनी से पाकिस्तान में होंडा 125 पे पाकिस्तान के बहुत ज़्यादा शहर घूम चुके हैं। तो मार्सल से उनकी कहानी जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि मार्सल ने ये बाइक ही क्यों चुनी पूरे पाकिस्तान को घूमने के लिए। Hello Marcel, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very good.
Why are you traveling on this bike? Like, why did you choose to travel on this bike for Pakistan?
Because I think motorcycle is the most convenient way to travel around Pakistan. You can visit all places you want and be independent.
And how do you like Pakistan?
Pakistan Zindabad. I love it a lot. It's my favorite country.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Marcel, how about we have a Pakistani chai together?
Yeah, definitely. It sounds great.
So how do you like chai?
That's actually really good chai.
It's good chai.
Yeah, I love chai.
So Marcel, would you tell me that why did you choose to travel to Pakistan?
So I was hitchhiking around Saudi Arabia. So I traveled 3 months there, and I met like a lot of Pakistani people. There are a lot of Pakistani truck drivers, and they like always picked me up and they treated me for food. They invited me to their homes, and they all loved their country. Everyone told me like, you have to go to Pakistan, you have to go to Pakistan.
So how is the behavior of people with you when they see you traveling on Honda 125?
So like I love Pakistanis so much.
What did you like the most?
Because this is what I like about Pakistan the most actually. I mean, many people like the landscapes, the mountains and everything, but I like the people the most. Because the people are the most welcoming and most hospitable you can find around the world, I think. How do you travel? I say I travel with a motorcycle, and when they have a look at my motorcycle, they expect first I have like a heavy bike. But then they see my Honda 125 and they're like positively surprised. My heart is bleeding sometimes to see like the image of Pakistan in the media that is saying like it's dangerous and like you should not visit. People are not nice, but Pakistan is really by far the nicest people I've ever met, and yeah, I love it a lot.
Is language sort of a barrier for you, or do you know any phrases in Urdu?
Yeah, okay, I know like Assalamu alaikum, alaikum salam, kya haal hai, alhamdulillah.
How many cities you have been in Pakistan?
Yeah, so I visited around like more than 50 cities in Pakistan, maybe 60 cities.
Okay, which city did you like the most?
So I like Karachi a lot, but Pakistan is still like untouched nature a lot, and I love it so much more with all the shepherds, you know, living in the meadows, and yeah, it's like kind of like Switzerland. So I was living in Switzerland last year actually. I lived there for a few months, but you cannot compare because Pakistan is more beautiful than Switzerland.
Oh wow!
Yeah, it's really more beautiful. It's more untouched.
What food did you like the most?
No, but I do like spicy food, and I like the biryani in Karachi.
Biryani in
Very
Karachi.
spicy and
Yeah.
really tasty.
Thank you, Marcel, for your time and helping to build the soft image of Pakistan throughout the world through the content you produce. जैसा कि आपने मार्सेल की बातें सुनी, उन्हें पाकिस्तान खासा पसंद आया है, लोग उनसे बहुत मोहब्बत से पेश आ रहे हैं और उनको काफ़ी हॉस्पिटैलिटी भी देखने को मिल रही है। इस हवाले से मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट urdunews.com।